Hola everyone, welcome back to Millennial Loteria. And my Latinx music today is on the country of the Dominican Republic. It is located in the Caribbean. It shares the island of Hispaniola with the country of Haiti, and the capital is Santo Domingo, which is the oldest permanent settlement from colonization times, or the New World. And the country and its people, if I can describe the Dominicans in my life, they're so full of life. They turn the party. They have such a zest for an energy, and I attribute that to just that Caribbean vibe and that Caribbean spirit that's so unique. All the tigers out there that are from the Caribbean, if you want to comment below, let us know about the Caribbean spirit and what makes it so unique as well. So, and there are many notable Dominicanos working in the United States and just being notable around the world as well. Many are actually in the baseball world, famous baseball players are Dominicanos. I will do a separate post on that because I'm not too familiar with all of them. I know Alex Rodriguez is his parents are Dominicanos, so I know that one. But also, they're very noble figures in music as well, in the words of like reggaeton, bachata, and hip hop. So people like Prince Royce, Nati Natasha, Leslie Grace, Amara La Negra, and of course the most famous Dominicana, which is Cardi B. So, and then my personal anecdote about Dominicanos is I love the Dominican accent and the speed at which they speak. And honestly, they speak so fast to me that sometimes I have to ask my friends to kind of slow down, or can you repeat what you just said? Because the Dominican accent is just so fast. I have to put a video up of the Dominican accent, which is amazing. So for Latinx History Month and our Millennial Loteria, our next card for the board is La Border Wall, y'all. La Border Wall. Can't stop, won't stop. It's a ladder on a wall. Mark it on your board, and we'll keep playing, okay? Ciao.